Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up tutorial. So happy February. I am so excited to bring to you today a new free card kit for this month. So this month I am featuring the Cactus Cuties stamp set. Isn't this set just adorable? I absolutely love it. And I really like the block-like font. I don't know if that's the right way to describe it, but I like it. Really cute set. So I was excited to feature this one for this month's free card kit. I'm only using the stamp set, and you'll see that as we go through and I show you how to assemble the kit, but you can actually get this stamp set in a bundle with a coordinating punch. So here is the little punch that you can get. I can't remember the name of the punch, but I will put it here on the screen for you. So when you get the bundle, you actually save 10% getting the stamp set and the punch together, so a great deal. But like I said, you don't actually need the punch to complete the kit. All you'll need is the Cactus Cuties stamp set. And all you have to do to receive this free card kit as a gift in the mail from me to you is simply place a minimum $40 order in my online Stampin' Up store. That's $40 before tax and shipping. You don't have to purchase any specific product necessarily. You can purchase whatever you'd like. But if you would like to complete the cards exactly as I have, you will need the Cactus Cuties stamp set, and then I'm gonna walk you through what other supplies I'm using when we get over to the desk. And then don't forget, this is the last month of celebration, so you might as well bump that $40 order up to $50 so that you can choose a free celebration item. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's tutorial, and I'm gonna walk you through how to put together my free Cactus Cuties card kit. Okay, so here's everything that you would need if you want to recreate the cards in the kit exactly as I have. So here are the cards just really quickly to share with you. They are just so cute. So I actually featured the Abstract Beauty 4x6 Designer Series paper in the kit. This is a new Designer Series paper. It's a specialty paper found in the January through June mini catalog. It is so pretty. So you've got the gold foiling on one side. Love it. And then you've got these other really fun, colorful patterns on the other side. So really fun designer paper. Okay, so I've got my Cactus Cuties stamp set. For my ink pads, I've got Magenta Madness, Just Jade, Bumblebee, Cinnamon Cider, Blushing Bride. And then for adhesive, glue dots, dimensionals, Stampin' Seal, I do have all of the products here that I'm using to complete the kit listed and linked down below in the video description. If you're watching this video over on my blog, you can find the supply list down below the video tutorial, okay? All right, and then don't forget, if you're not familiar with my card kits, I do include envelopes and a full color PDF that has a photo of each of the projects in the kit. So your kit is going to come with a piece of basic white cardstock. You're gonna need this to do some stamping and hand cutting. So you will need this for the first two cards, okay? I am going to bring in my foam mat for my Stamparatus just to have a cushion since I'm working with photopolymer stamps. And then let me just get my ink pads, Just Jade, whoops, Bumblebee, Cinnamon Cider, Blushing Bride. That's what I need for this first card. I'm gonna stamp the large cactus image in Just Jade onto my little extra piece of white cardstock. Okay, then this little pot, gonna stamp that in Cinnamon Cider. And my other pot in Bumblebee. Then you're gonna need some scissors and just hand cut out these images. They're really easy to cut out. I'm not really into hand cutting. It's rare that I hand cut things out, but these images were so easy to cut out. Okay, so cute. So I've got those pieces cut out. Then you've got a die cut circle here. I cut this circle and the scallop using my layering circle dies. So I'm going to place my bumblebee pot. Just gonna put it right about here. I'm gonna bring in this little cactus piece, and I just want to, I didn't get that bottom corner good. I just want to stamp that, right about there. Okay, and then there's this other little tiny piece that matches that. I'm gonna pop that right there, looks good. And now we can start putting this card together. So I've got a basic white thick card base, and remember all of the measurements are on the PDF that is included with the kit. So I'm gonna take this, and then I've got some of that abstract designer series paper, and I'm going to add this on to my card front using my Stampin' Seal adhesive, and I just want it to be in the center. It'll just go straight across, and you might have a little bit of overhang. No worries, just trim that down. Okay, like so. Now, Magenta Madness ink here, and I'm going to stamp my sentiment, which says, hope your day is on point. Love that sentiment. And we're just gonna put this down here, bottom left, and this is going straight on the card base, so hopefully we get it right. Gorgeous. And now we can start putting these other pieces together. So I'm just gonna layer my white circle onto this piece of Magenta Madness. Such a bright, vibrant pink. I love that pink. Okay, now let's add on our other pieces here. So I think I'm gonna have this little guy go there, this one here, this one there. Yep, I think I like that. So put this one on flat. Like that. Okay, I'm not gonna press that just yet. And then a couple of dimensionals on this one. Pop this one up. There, that looks cute. Dimensionals on the back of this. Okay. And then we'll just put this right about there, looks good. And then you've got this little piece of, this is crumb cake baker's twine from the Baker's Twine Essentials pack. I'm just going to tie this in a little bow. Oops, I didn't do that very good. Let me start again. Sometimes twine is not my friend. Okay, I think that was better. Bring in those glue dots and just roll the glue dot up, and we're gonna put it right here where those two little images meet. And you just press it in like so. Okay, and then let's just give that a trim. There we go. And there you have the finished card. Isn't that so cute? I just love this card. Hope your day is on point. All right, so here we've got everything for card number 2. I'm gonna bring in this die cut circle, bring back my scrap paper, bring back my foam mat. All right, so let's start with our scrap here. I'm gonna stamp the third little pot that's included in the stamp set. I'm gonna stamp that in Bumblebee. We're gonna hand cut that little pot out. And then I'm just going to use this little pot as a guide for where I want my plant. So I'm gonna stamp this little leafy image right about there. Just pull my pot down, put that down, and that was in the Just Jade. Okay, so that's gonna go just like that. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and might as well just stick this little guy down with a couple of dimensionals. Okay, and then I've got a Night of Navy scalloped circle to add that on top of. Okay, and dimensionals on the back. So now we can start putting this card together, and I've got a Night of Navy card base here, standard sized card base. Then I've got a piece of Balmy Blue cardstock, which I never use Balmy Blue. So I've got Balmy Blue, and then I've got some more of that Abstract Beauty. I had to go back and look at the name again. Abstract Beauty designer paper. So I'm just going to add this on to the top part of my Balmy Blue. Then I've got the opposite side of that designer series paper. I'm going to add this little piece on. And I'm gonna line it up with the bottom of the designer paper and put it on right there. Then you've got a piece of polished pink ribbon. This is the open weave ribbon. Now, polished pink is not a featured color in this designer paper. It's actually Magenta Madness, but you cannot even tell. If you look there, I don't feel like you can even tell. So, hey, I didn't have Magenta Madness ribbon, so I did polished pink, and that's one of the things I love about Stampin' Up. The color coordination is just, you can mix and match the colors so easily. You don't have to have everything. So, I ran out. So anyways, yeah, like I was saying, you don't have to have everything to create, and I love that. Let me just pop this out. And really quickly, I'm gonna change this. That is actually why I joined Stampin' Up. I joined because of the color coordination, believe it or not. And who knew it would turn into what I'm doing now. Okay, so we've got that put down. So now I'm gonna add on this little die cut stamped layer, and I want that to go right about there. Yep, right there. And then we're gonna stamp the sentiment. I should have stamped this before I put it all on the card, but I was too busy talking. So let's see. Let me ink that one more time. It should be fine. I'm just gonna put it down here, bottom right. Just a note. Okay, looks good. I like just a note sentiments because you can write whatever you want on the inside, which is nice. And there you have it, card number 2. So cute, just a note. Okay, card number 3, the last and final card. So I'm gonna take out the tiny little die cut circle, and then this piece of basic white cardstock. So on this piece of white, I'm gonna go ahead and adhere this piece of the Abstract Beauty Designer Series paper. This is going to go on the left side. Oops, I got a little adhesive right there. Just try to rub that off. Okay, this is gonna go on the left side of our white cardstock, so right there. And just make sure that you've cleaned it off from the first card, but we're going to stamp this little pot in Blushing Bride, and I'm gonna put it, oh, right about there, I think looks good. Okay, and then our large cactus. I think this is my favorite image in the set. I really love this cactus image. I'm gonna put that right above my pot, right there. So I stamped that little cactus in Just Jade, and then in Bumblebee, I'm gonna stamp these little flowers. I'm sure there's a name for these, but I'm gonna stamp these right there. Oh, so cute. And then on this tiny little die cut circle, I am going to stamp my Hello sentiment in Magenta Madness right in the center. Hello. Right, let's start putting this card together. So for my card base, I've got Blushing Bride cardstock here, and I'm just going to fold that over, give it a nice crease. And then for this layer, before we add it onto the card, I've got some of this Just Jade and gold ribbon. I love this ribbon. It's so pretty. I don't know if you can see those gold flecks, all that gold in there, but so cute. So I'm just going to put some seal adhesive and just cover up where the designer paper meets the white. Okay, just like that. Isn't that so cute? Love this ribbon. And then we can adhere this onto our Blushing Bride card base. And let me just say thank you guys so much for your emails about these card kits. I hear from a lot of you about how much you love these kits and how much you look forward to them each month, and that makes me feel so good because I do enjoy creating them, and I enjoy sharing them with you, and I'm very happy to know that you guys really enjoy them and that you look forward to them. So thanks so much for all of your sweet emails about these kits. Okay, got my Hello layered onto this tiny little Bumblebee scalloped circle. And then I will just pop a dimensional towards, that was not where I wanted that dimensional. I actually wanted it more towards the other side. So I'm gonna pull that off because we've got the ribbon there. So I'm gonna put a second one and do it just like this. Yeah, and then we're gonna pop that hello right about, yeah, right about there. Hello. And there it is, you guys. That finishes up card number 3. So, so cute. Again, neutral sentiment, so you could write just about anything inside of this card. So really love it. All right, so there you have it, you guys. That is my Cactus Cuties free card kit for the month of February. I hope that you love it. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget, all you have to do to receive this card kit as a gift in the mail from me to you is simply place a minimum $40 order in my online Stampin' Up store. That's $40 before tax and shipping. Don't forget to use the host code if your order is less than $150. You can find that code over on my blog. I'll also put the code down in the video description, but don't forget forget to use that code. And yeah, thank you guys so much, and stay tuned because I'll be back again very soon with another tutorial. Bye now.